field like that.
That's why they only did 58.
I think that's, I don't think that's 5 foot.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
What is it?
Is it a corn?
Combine. They put the grain in it and also augered it out, which is way above most.
What year would you
And
think?
then you
this
hook
is?
the tractor on over there and the power takeoff shaft would run it. And see, you'd be able to see. But on that thing there, I've never seen a Minneapolis Moline unload on the right side. They were a little different. And many people are a little different.
But I tell you, when all this stuff would have worn out, I don't know how you fix it.
Wait, is this part of this?
Yes?
The wheel.
Is that where the PTO?
Yep. And this other piece comes around. So the tractor's actually up there, pulling. That tongue's clear up there.
And the PTO, was this horses that were
No,
turning it?
there's that square shaft right there, had a thing that hooked onto the tractor, and the tractor run that drive shaft. There's no motor on this. It's a pull type combine. I mean, all day long, and probably all they had is a B John Deere, and that'd be a long day. Hot. And see, the tractor could also pull the wagon. That is amazing. Those guys they had brains. Look, their tailings, they still put them in there like that today. Isn't that something? Yeah, everybody's opened that up sort of see what's going on. A lot of people got hurt around this equipment. I mean, look, belts. Isn't that amazing? Somebody built that and decided it was going to run the wrong way. Just twisted the belt. Those guys were geniuses.